Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation video guide for the NXJ miniature power relay. Before we begin, disconnect the power supply, wear insulating gloves and protective goggles. Prepare wire strippers, crimping pliers, appropriately sized wires, wire lugs, a screwdriver and a multimeter. Before starting the installation, please carefully read the instructions. Ensure to check if the model of the small relay socket matches the predetermined working conditions and select an appropriate installation location. The technique for installing the NXJ involves aligning the upper end of the socket with the top edge of the rail, then pressing down on the bottom to ensure the socket is correctly snapped into the rail. If you need to remove the socket, use a flathead screwdriver to pull down the stopper, lift the bottom of the socket to detach it from the rail, and then tilt it forward at a slight angle to remove it smoothly. Use the wire strippers to carefully strip off the outer insulation of the copper wire for 9 to 11 millimeters, ensuring that the exposed length of the copper wire is appropriate. Next, use a crimping tool to firmly crimp the wire lugs to the ends of the copper wires, ensuring a reliable connection. Users should wire the terminals into 4 groups of contacts: 1, 5 and 9, 2, 6 and 10, 3, 7 and 11, and 4, 8 and 12, with 13 and 14 being the coil terminals. Check if the model of the small relay matches the predetermined working conditions. The technique for installing the NXJ involves vertically inserting the relay into the socket hole of the socket. If you need to remove the relay, simply pull it out vertically. When the power is off, the normal open contacts are disconnected. Apply the rated control power voltage to the coil, and the status indicator light will turn on. After powering, use a multimeter to test the continuity of the small relay, with the normal open contacts, to verify its normal operation. If you encounter any issues, please refer to the troubleshooting guide for analysis and resolution. We will provide diagnostic methods and solutions for common issues. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.